Hi, I'm back. So as you can see now, the television is now hang or mounted. Now, this is not a job for a one man. It's not really heavy. However, it's large. So I have to divorce or divest Christian from his Xbox One and borrowed him for 2 minutes, and then we hang it up. All I have to do now is to tighten up some of this screw here. I got 2 screws in here. I tighten it up and tighten up this thing right here that adjusts the angle of the television screen. Okay, and then after this, I'm going to try if it still works now that the cover is reinstalled. The cover and also the hardware for the mounting have been reinstalled, and so after this I have to try it. Okay.